You're ready to build a thriving travel business but struggling to find focus. Or maybe requests are coming in from all over the map, literally. Friend, it's time to embark on a journey that will change your travel business. In this video, we're going to dig into choosing a niche that aligns with your passion, expertise, and the desires of your ideal clients. Get ready to unlock the doors to success and make your mark on the travel industry. If you're new here, hey, I'm Alma, and I grew my travel business from 0 to 7 figures and being earmarked by Disney in just under 3 years. I did this all with organic marketing, and here on this channel, I share what I know with you so you can do the same. So why is niching so important? First off, I want to debunk some myths that I think you might be concerned about when you niche down. Myth number 1, niche markets are too limited and you'll lose out on potential clients. While focusing on a niche may seem restrictive, it can actually help you attract more qualified clients. By targeting a specific group of travelers with unique needs and preferences, you become an expert in that area, gaining their trust and loyalty. This can lead to more word-of-mouth referrals and long-term business relationships. Myth number 2, niche markets are not profitable. Actually, focusing on a niche can be highly profitable. When you cater to a specific audience, you can offer specialized services and experiences. Additionally, niche markets often have less competition, which gives you the opportunity to stand out and establish yourself as the go-to expert. Myth number 3, you'll miss out on exciting travel opportunities if you specialize. Specializing in a niche doesn't mean that you can't explore or sell other travel options. You can still incorporate general travel services into your offerings while using your specialization to differentiate and attract specific clients who value your expertise. Myth number 4, your current clients won't like the change if you start niching down. While some clients may have diverse travel needs, many will appreciate your dedication to providing personalized experiences within that niche. Definitely be upfront with your existing clients about your new specialization and how it benefits them. Myth number 5, niche markets are trendy and will fade away. While some trends might come and go, certain niches are timeless. For instance, luxury travel and adventure travel have been consistent interests for years. Additionally, as long as there are passionate travelers with specific interests, there will be a demand for specialized services. Myth number 6, niche markets are too difficult to identify and target. Identifying a niche might require some research and self-assessment, but it can be a rewarding process. Look for segments in the travel market that align with your interest, experience, and knowledge. Leverage social media and digital marketing to reach your target audience effectively. Specializing as a travel agent will help you showcase your expertise, be less competitive, and provide higher profit margins. Now that you understand why niching down is so important, you're probably wondering, how do you start researching your niche? First off, you're going to want to take some time and reflect on your own interests, passions, and travel experiences. What are those destinations that you're most enthusiastic about? This is a great starting point to selecting a niche that aligns with your expertise and passion. Next, try to dig deep and identify potential niches that have high demand but less competition. You're looking for gaps in the market or underserved segments where you can provide unique value. Stay up to date on current travel trends and patterns. Follow industry news and social media to spot emerging interests and behaviors in the travel market. Spend some time looking into travel agents and agencies that specialize in your potential niche market. Analyze their offerings, marketing strategies, and reviews. This will help you identify what works and find areas where you can differentiate yourself. There are more niche market opportunities than you may think, so I encourage you to think outside the box. This will be essential to help you stand out from the competition. Here are some examples of niches that you may have not considered yet: cultural and heritage tourism, wellness and health-focused travel, special needs travel, educational travel, sports and adventure, culinary and wine tourism, solo travel and female solo travel, special occasion travel, and cruise and river cruises. Success in the travel industry is not just about selling trips. It's about crafting unforgettable experiences and catering to a specific audience that aligns with your passion and expertise. Use your niche to create a transformative journey to find your profitable path in the travel industry.